1 year ago, the Jags and the Bills played in the postseason. Today, they're trying to find their way as they meet here at New Era Field.
Hey, we got a great day today. No wind, no snow, no rain. Jaguar day like it's sunny and 80 right now. Let's roll.
Go right now. What's up with it, man? Bring that up. Bring that up, bro. Hey, let's go.
You know what's up. Kill or be killed. That's simple.
You ain't got to get mad to do this, though. You just got to have love to do this. You hear what I'm talking about? You got to want to do this right here. You get what I'm talking about?
One thing going on today, man. You just got to win. Simple as that, man. No words needed.
They run a jet sweep to the right with McKenzie, and he's going to walk into the end zone. He waltzed into the end zone from 6 yards away, and the Bills strike first here at New Era Field. Play fake. Allen drops the throw again. Fires as he's getting hit. It's caught downfield inside the 20 to the 15 to the 10. That's going to be a touchdown for Buffalo. Robert Foster got deep. Allen got hit as he let it go, but it is a 75-yard touchdown pass for Buffalo.
He's got to go. Come on, guy! You got to come back! All right, let's go. Let's go.
First down at the 39-yard line. Toss sweep to the left. This is Hyde with a blocker in front. Lots of room. Near first down yardage. They just tossed it to him quickly. They pulled Eric Flowers. That's going to be near first down yardage. He's going to have it. It's a 10-yard gain to the 49-yard line. The handoff to Leonard Fournette. Got away from one defender into the open field at the 30. Leonard to the 25-yard line. Best run of the day for Leonard Fournette. Got it inside the 25 all the way down to the 23-yard line. Terrific run by Leonard Fournette.
That is the greatest move that Leonard Fournette has had all season long.
Inside handoff to Carlos Hyde. Good running by Carlos. He got it inside the 15-yard line. Got it to near the 12. That's an 11-yard gain and a first down for Jacksonville.
Keep on running it.
What do you call here?
I'm running the ball.
They hand it to Fournette right up the middle of the field. Lowers his shoulder. Leonard Fournette near the goal line. He's not in. Now they call a touchdown. The side judge waited forever to stick his hands in the air, and now he says touchdown Jacksonville. It'll be a 5-yard touchdown run.
Hey, good drive there, father boy. Hey. Good drive.
Shotgun snap. The give is to Leonard Fournette. A lot of room for Leonard. Good running that time. Almost got it. Almost got first down yardage out of it. Wound up getting 14 yards. They run a jet sweep to the right with D.D. Westbrook to the 40, to the 45, into Bills territory. Along the far sideline, still in bounds is D.D. Westbrook along the far sideline, knocked out of bounds. Terrific run. A jet sweep to D.D. Westbrook all the way down to the 22 of Buffalo.
Boy, how many yards did he get on that one?
43-yard gain to the 22.
Nice.
The give is to Fournette. Lots of room to the middle of the field, to the 15, to the 10. Ran through a couple tackles. The Jags are just gashing him on the ground all the way down to the 7-yard line of Buffalo.
I'll tell you what, that's a great job up front.
The ball really could not be any closer to the goal line without being in the end zone. So it's third down and goal, Jacksonville. There's the give to Leonard. Lowers his shoulder into the end zone, touchdown. Leonard Fournette, a 1-yard touchdown run. And now the Jags are an extra point away from tying the game.
Impressive game. Leonard Fournette certainly taking a big step up.
We have reached halftime, 14-14.
Keep working it, man. Keep blocking them now. All right? Hey, we're blocking them. Just keep pushing them, right? In run game.
Showing blitz, and they're coming. Play fake. Bortles fires toward the end zone. Once Dante Moncrief on the left side. Dante leaps up. Did he make the catch? Yes, he did. Touchdown, Jacksonville! A touchdown pass in the left corner to Dante Moncrief, and the Jags go on top.
Well, they got the one-on-one look. Uh-oh, here we go. We got to pushing and shoving right now.
Oh, that was a big fight.
And they're still laying there. Now punches have been thrown.
I mean, real punches thrown in this one now.
Somebody's getting ejected right now in this fight.
After reviewing the play, the runner was short of the goal line. We'll place the ball at the 1-yard line, first down. We have personal fouls on both teams. Number 27 of Jacksonville and number 90 of Buffalo. They will be disqualified from the game.
So Leonard Fournette and Shaq Lawson both are ejected. They throw a little wide receiver screen to Dede Westbrook. Dede to the 5. Dede into the end zone, touchdown. A wide receiver screen to Dede Westbrook and a touchdown. Now a flag comes in late.
They're going to get Keelan Cole for holding.
Holding, number 84, offense.
42-yarder from the left hash for the lead. It is down. Lambeau kicks it up, and the 42-yard field goal is no good. Josh Lambeau had made 28 straight field goal attempts from inside of 50 yards, and we remain tied at 14. Empty backfield, quarterback draw. Allen breaks the tackle to the 5. He's going to get into the end zone. That's a touchdown. And a moment ago, it looked like Jacksonville had taken the lead. Now the Bills do take the lead here. Play fake. Throws out of the end zone. In and out of the hands of James O'Shaughnessy and picked off by the Bills.
And that's on James O'Shaughnessy.
That was right in his hands. It went in and out of his hands. Jordan Poyer, the safety, picked it off. Unbelievable. It's a 22-yarder from the left hash with 3:09 to play in the game. Schmidt puts it down. Hauska kicks it up, and the kick is good. And the Bills have a 24-14 lead. Dropping the throw. Fires downfield, caught by Dede Westbrook. First down and more inside the 40 of Buffalo. Got it inside the 35-yard line of Buffalo. 1:25 to play. Dropping his Blake. Looking. Fires toward the end zone to Dede Westbrook. Touchdown! Blake Bortles to Dede Westbrook for the score.
Here comes the ball game, guys. Josh Lambeau is going to kick an onside kick.
Lambeau approaches. There it is, high bouncer, and it is fielded by the Bills. It stayed in the air a little bit too long. Fielded by the Bills. They fell to the ground. They'll take a knee twice, and the Jaguars will lose a 7th consecutive game. Tough way to lose a game. The momentum changed instantaneously.
I mean, it hurts when when you prepare so hard and you do all the things that you do and you want it so bad when you just don't succeed. But you can't sit there and cry about it. You just gotta accept it and just figure out a way to go back to playing ball. And just loving the game.